little slick. I think it's a little slick, Scott.
A little slick. That front brake's working well, though.
It is. Oh, that's the front? Jeez. There's your problem. Oh. I knew it was coming. Yeah!
That's how it's not done.
Where are you going? You had it. Still got it.
Oh, come on, Maddie. You got to pull harder than that.
That's all I got.
I always go high on front.
Go, go, go! Come on. Told you I'm 20%, 60% of the time. There you go.
I fall here.
Yeah.
That's what I was trying to do.
Scotty was trying to make the cover again. Meet you at the bottom. Just go straight down the bottom, and that's the beginning of 2.
And then
more.
Not deja vu, but just stay right.
Just straight across, and it's 2. But don't go. When you get to the bottom, just stop and wait.
Okay.
Hey! Oh man, that was fast. It's got to be a new record. I have to be honest with you, the down is harder than the up. It's just nasty. That is definitely vertical. Yeah! I can do better than that. It's in the hole.
Give it enough sin to clean it, so give it more sin than I did.
Not too bad. Am I allowed to dab on this bike? Oh no! Chris scared me. Made it look really hard. Nice.
Oh, smooth operator.
Yeah. Yee doggy. Ride good, whiskey. Oh, there's a tree there now. What's that all about? Nice. Even with the tree. All right. All right. So how much of fun lane you want showing?
Oh.
I hate that line.
Huh?
I never do. That's why I tell everybody it's easier to hit the wall.
You have reverse on that thing, right?
Oh yeah. Phew. Oh my God.
So the left line is the preferred line.
Hey, you okay? Okay. Your water pack exploded.
That was.
You lost my nipple.